Good day everyone and welcome back to TMac FPV, your channel for your journey to better FPV fun, flights, and racing stuff. Last video we discussed our best value beginner FPV drone kit to include transmitter, simulator, goggles, and quadcopters. We also previously discussed how to make our own do-it-yourself FPV race gates and flags, which we have now, our own FPV drone race lap timer, which is PID flight, and we put them all together in a video called FPV Race Backyard Brawl 2018 between the Wiz, our Eachine X220, and our Diatone GTR90. Now though, I figure it's time we journey to better in the first of our series, How to Fly FPV Drone Simulator to Reality. Today, I'm going to be learning how to fly a split S maneuver. We're going to start on the Velocidrone simulator and go through a couple runs with that, as we should normally use a simulator to practice brand new maneuvers, and then we're going to take it outside into my backyard, not with our 2-inch quad, the GT, but with our 5-inch quad, the Wiz Eachine X220. It could be interesting. Stay tuned.
Føler du deg slem? Du vet at squaden gjør det stort.